Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix Android Auto disconnection issues on your Motorola Signature smartphone. First of all, we're gonna have to open settings on our smartphone and scroll down to apps. Open the apps menu, then go to see all the apps, and now find the Android Auto in here. Now open this app's information. Go to storage and cache, try to clear the cache of this application, and then check once again for any disconnection issues. And if this doesn't work for you, you can also delete apps data and restart your device by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time and selecting restart to reboot your Motorola. This should fix the problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.